Finding an M4 that can stand up to the rigors of actual gameplay but won't bust your budget is not an easy task in the world of airsoft. You want a reliable rifle that is simple to operate and maintain, but will offer you consistent and reliable performance. Elite Force is proud to bring you the next generation of M4 CQBs and CQC. These workhorses have been refined over 6 previous generations, and in their 7th incarnation, the improvements and upgrades put this AEG in a category of its own. The 7th generation improvements include a redesigned crane stock that hugs the buffer tube with minimal wobble. It also offers QD sling points on the right and left side of the stock, as well as push-button battery access, which dramatically shortens the time and effort involved with swapping out batteries. We've also added a vented motor grip, we've beefed up the charging handle, and a brand new tappet plate which has been redesigned using an all-new polymer that offers a perfect combination of strength and flexibility to ensure years of continued use. Both of these AEGs have a flat-top receiver with a monolithic upper rail that is ready for the optic of your choice. The next-gen CQB and CQC from Elite Force have raised the bar for affordable and reliable mid-level airsoft rifles. Visit your authorized Elite Force dealer and check out the next-gen M4 CQB and CQC for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Vine, and Instagram for all the latest news, new products, and contests and giveaways. Remember, always transport your airsoft gun in a gun bag. Play safe, have fun, and thanks for watching. What's in your bag? When you're at an airsoft game, there is never a shortage of M4 AEGs, so owning a rifle that uses M4 mags is never a bad idea. But what if you're the type of player who wants a little something different? Introducing the Beretta ARX 160, not an M4, but it uses M4 mags. Whether you love or hate the aesthetics of this AEG, you won't be able to deny its performance nor its ergonomics. This is a truly ambidextrous rifle for those of us who know the advantages of being able to manipulate your rifle effectively, strong or weak side. Its features are what makes this rifle one of the most universal platforms in the game. The stock is collapsible and foldable, and both the fire control group and the magazine release are completely ambidextrous. This ARX 160 also features a quick change spring option, which means you'll be able to quickly convert your rifle from outdoor legal to indoor friendly FPS limits. Add to that enough rail estate for all your Ninja accessories, ample battery storage in the stock, a quick release barrel for easy cleaning, and the fact that it uses M4 mags, and you have a mission adaptable rifle that is battle ready and extremely unique. Visit your authorized Elite Force dealer to see the Beretta ARX 160 for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Vine, and Instagram for all the latest news, new products, and contests and giveaways. Remember, always transport your airsoft gun in a gun bag. Play safe, have fun, and thanks for watching. What's in your bag?
A revolutionary yet practical concept. The Walther PPS M2 Airsoft, delivering an exact 6mm airsoft replica of the premier concealed carry option. It's capable of withstanding anything thrown its way. The PPS M2 Airsoft pistol by Umarex and offered by Elite Force Airsoft is powered by one 12-gram CO2 cartridge that loads into the grip, along with a 15-round stick magazine. Engineers have incorporated a tool for puncturing the CO2 cartridge into the magazine, so it's always there when you need it. The Walther PPS M2 Airsoft pistol features a blowback slide that locks when the magazine is empty, mimicking the 9mm centerfire Big Brother, featuring all the exterior markings and textures of the original. The PPS M2 is perfect for airsoft enthusiasts and loyal Walther fans to practice without having to drive to the range.